Hey guys, this is MOB Farms. Well, I've got another little project I'm working on today. Getting the weed whacker fixed. It's just gonna work. So anyway, my weed whacker in the other day, and this whole shebangle here busted apart. So it just fell apart. This is a weed whacker. The brand on it, model number is a FS38 Stihl. So here's what broke on it. So just I don't know, just kind of cracked, I guess. And it also took the bearing out too. The bearing, I guess it's a common problem. There's the nuts here strip, so it's stripping on there, and that's not proper. The lady at the tractor supply up here, which are called yards, they sell steel, like steel parts and chainsaw parts and all sorts of kind of tractors and such, right? So, anyways, they told me that either strips here on the threads or this goes. So anyways, I was pricing out this and the tube and everything, and she actually got the tube and everything for me for $91 Canadian. So, and it really beats buying another weed whacker, because everything's so expensive. And kind of nice because the shaft is actually in there, so that's really nice. So we'll put it back together. So anyway, to measure everything goes. I really like this weed whacker. It's been really good to me. When I tried going on Amazon, I tried finding this tube, and I couldn't find exactly. I mean, there's tubes that are like this, but to get a direct replacement, pretty tough, eh? So. That's where I like it. Yeah. You don't know how much you miss your weed whacker if you don't have it. As odd as that sounds. It's really pretty simple to put back together. There's Allen screws there and a couple Allen screws here, so pretty straightforward. You have to turn the shaft or something to get it to go in. There you go. Yeah, I just need to turn the shaft a little bit. I turn the end shaft here so it goes in, because there's the cable in here, right? Here's the old cable. It just goes inside there, right? So I keep everything inside the damn packer wrap. So, but I didn't know, right? When I bought this, I didn't know what the hell I was getting, right? So, but yeah, so we're gonna get my Torx. Not really much going on in the tractor stuff. Just been working away. I'm in the middle of picking peaches, so just been go with that. So it's, we have another project coming in. Well, the projects are always abundant. But, I have an old post pounder out there. I like to bring in and rebuild, put new hoses and paint it up, and then advertise it back. Like advertise it on Facebook Marketplace. So that should be a fun little project, I think. Of course, I got Bronco, the tractor, still due, and you know everything costs money. So you don't want to tighten these suckers down too much because it's just plastic, right? And you can bust a threads, right? Probably should torque them, but just kind of do it so it's snug. Nothing crazy. Leave that the way it is because I don't think I touched that. So yeah, so we got this to put back on. Now where the damn nut is, the whole damn story. So bolts right here. So wherever you guys are watching this video, wherever you're watching it from, your part of the world, how's the weather up? How's the weather there? So we can set this back here a bit so you guys can see what I'm doing. So how's the weather where you guys are watching my video from? It's kind of been off and on. We have like 3 or 4 forest fires nearby. That makes for really gross conditions. So really tough on, well, you guys know. Anybody who's near a forest fire situation, you know, it's like, you know what it's all about. This is a problem here with this one here too. This little hub. I have to be careful because sometimes these this hex here wears out, strips out, and you got a problem taking it out or just being all tight in there afterwards. So just something, food for thought. Yeah. Yeah, before this whole thing was getting all wonky and it was going. Look at that. good as new, I hope. I hope. So what do you guys say? Should we go outside and try it? So, I'm going to take you guys out there with me and pop you guys up somewhere. We'll try this out and see how it works. And safety first. Your earplugs. Have clean fingers. You should wear goggles too and all the shebang, but no point getting all geared up for 2 seconds of video. So, anyways, I'll be you guys right back. Hold on.